morning, everyone. You're speaking to Liro Mbayua from Pindah Private Limited. And today I'll take you through how to mark attendance registers and how to download attendance reports. So you log into your system. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the frame menu. The frame menu is for school management. You can look for it on the dashboard, or you can look for it on the side menu. Then after looking for the menu, click on attendance. After clicking on attendance, you'll be taken to a page which loads all your classrooms and all the registers. So you choose a class, then the register will be automatically chosen for the current date. If you want to mark registers for previous days, just click the day and then you start marking. So for today, we click this one. And then when the student is present, just click on log. After clicking on log, the student will be logged into the system at the time that you mark the register. That's all there is to it about marking the register. And then if you want to download reports, you click on reports, click on actions, select reports, then select the date range. So let's say you want to see attendance from March 2025 to February 2026. Then you select the classroom, or you can select all classes, then you generate the report. The system will take some time generating the report, and after you're done, it will download the report onto your machine. After the report is downloaded, you can see the report here has been downloaded. So after the report is downloaded, you can open it using Excel and see your students' reports and report attendance. Thank you for listening.